Governments all over the world have been urged to impose a moratorium on factory farming in the next 10 years. This is one of the recommendations from World Animal Protection, which says there should be no approvals of new factory farms in a bid to reduce its impact on climate change or on the environment. Factory farming refers to a system of rearing livestock using highly intensive methods under strict controlled conditions. An analysis on the environmental impact of factory-farmed livestock found that emissions from chicken meat in Brazil, China, Netherlands, and the United States alone are equivalent to keeping 29 million cars on the road for a year. The organization is also calling for the halving of production of animal protein by 2040, whilst urging consumers to eat less but quality meat.
That you and I as consumers make good buying decisions. One, to eat less but better quality meat, which simply means eat less animal proteins, but if you must eat animal proteins, then eat proteins from high welfare production system. Secondly, from a government perspective, we are saying that it's time for us to put a moratorium on factory farms to enable us to have time to discuss alternative ways of producing animals that is sustainable and is sensitive to, for us as a continent to meet our commitments to the Paris Agreement around climate change. And last but not least, for industries to then start producing animals in high welfare production systems, which simply means meeting farmed animal responsible minimum standards.